Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you will search about CapCut and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching.